Hello everyone, good morning. Are you looking for the best computer institute in Firozpur? Welcome to Shri Durga Institute of Computer Education, the place where learning meets success. We offer the professional courses like computer basic, web designing, graphic designing, the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Our institute provides the practical training, experienced staff, and friendly learning environment for the students. Whether you are a college student, you are a school student, you are a job seeker, or a business owner, we have the right courses for you. Affordable fees, practical classes, certificate courses, and limited seats are available. So please don't wait. Join today and build your career with computer education. And my contact number is 896808161. And please visit our institute. Thank you very much.
That this is called a multi-line command. Is that clear? अंदर package contain a number of classes and methods. हमारे private data member are those member in which data cannot be accessed from outside the class. ABC, these are the three variables. You know very well, variables that can be changeable and constant that can never be changed. The source code of this program. Okay. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, इस पूरे प्रोग्राम को रजे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. तो ये जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रोग्राम, देन क्लिक ऑन न्यू डेमो. Demo is the class name. Then after that you have to create an object of this class, then give any name like obj. Obj is the object name, then the icon is there, then right click on this, then click on the void display. Whenever you press enter, the sum is equal to 11. So that's why.